Hey, hi, everybody. It's Jay here. This video is a quick overview on Visual Studio Code Editor. So, when you click on VS Code Editor, first the page which is going to launch is Get Started Dashboard, where you can see a start. In start, we have new files, open files. We can open folders or clone with some repository, or that is Git repository, and also we can see the recent workspace. And there is another thing that is known as walkthroughs, where you can see you can go through some reference materials. So in the lower side of the dashboard, we will see the other options, like where you can see the output console and problems, debug console, and terminals. At the left part of the dashboard, you can see the Explorer, where you can see the repository and what are the files which are in the repository, and the workspace which is working around the repository. Also at the very left corner, we can see also the search and some repository, that is GitHub integration. So first comes the file menu. So in file, we can see, so there also we have the option, something like where you can open a new file, or creating a new file and a new window. And in editors, we have option like undo, redo options is there, and also replace, and we can find any of the elements, copy, paste, and cut options, and toggle line comments, toggle block comments, and replace in file or find in file. So you have another menu, that is selection, where you can select, move line up, move line down. You can copy line up, copy line down, add cursor above, add cursor below, and select all occurrences, and shrink selection. We have another select all, expand selection. So next the view, and next where we can see the view, like what is the in which perspective you want to see the dashboard view. We can accordingly we can customize. So next, where you can switch editors, switch group, go to file, and go to type definition, go to reference, go to bracket. So basically now this video is all about just an overview, like how what are the features which are available here. That is what I am going to cover here. And any forthcoming video, I will be covering one by one step details, what is exactly the terminal is, how we can go about the terminals, how to connect to the terminal, different terminals. Like that, we will have different cover. This is a very beginning quick overview about the VS Code. So here also we have one last option, that is help menu, where we can see about what is the latest version of the VS Code, and here you can toggle developer tools also, and you can open the process explorer. You can here also check the latest updates, what updates is there, and you can update accordingly, and report generations. So now we'll see like how the very basic, like creating a new file. So here you have to, there is two options. One, you can create a new file in the dashboard only, where you can see here start. Under start you have new file option and open file option. So there you can click on new file. So once you click on new file, you will get this text bar where you can enter the file name and with extension. Another option is there where you can go through the particular file menu. That is one option is there. And also you can see here there are so many files here which are already created. That is dbj.sql extension, homepage.html, and mydocs.cs C# file, and myjpro.py extension Python file, and pro.java file. So these are the files which are already existing in the particular repository. So it is giving the status also there. U is there. U is not yet tracked. So there are other things. There is no any status about that because that is already successfully deployed. So homepage.html, you can see there is no such status also, and HTML all code collection.js JavaScript. There also there is no status because it is, if there is any pending like any new created file or any error is there in the file, it will show in the status what is the status of the current file in that repository. So I am going to create one new file, and I'm going to type that extension as .css. You can see here new file.css is created. There is 1, u. 1 is again the one error is there because, and it is showing the red font also. So here you can see that you have so many options. When you click on some extension like E, it will come with so many options: grammar errors, spelling errors, whichever one you can select, and it will be automatically written on the script. So new file is having 1, u is 1 is nothing but an error. U is yet to be saved because the file is not written, which is, it is having syntax error, or it is having one error.